Now we're going to learn how to purl. So the purl's similar to the knit, except the yarn's out the front of the work. So when you put the needle in, it's on the right side of that stitch. So you go in through the right, you still go around anti-clockwise, you pull it down, and then you pull it off. So in through the right, around, down, and off. Yarn out the front as well. So that with the knit, it was out the back. With the purl, it's out the front. So in, around, down, and off. And you just keep on following that. In, around, down, and off. So in through the right, around, down, and off. I'll just slow it. In, around, pull it tighter, down, and off. Just repeat this until you get to the end. And that is your purls. So the way to distinguish the purls is they run horizontally, whereas the knits ran vertically. And I just like to say that the horizontal bars. So the purls are the horizontal bars. And there you go.